It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make contact paper sun catchers. This is one of the easiest sun catcher activities you can do, and you can do it lots of different ways. We're going to make ours with contact paper and colored tissue paper, and I will also share some other ways you can do this with other materials. And I will also share some variations you can try at the end of this video. Let's gather our materials. The materials you need for contact paper sun catchers are transparent contact paper or translucent contact paper, and this is also called sticky back plastic, and you can find it with the shelf liner paper at the grocery store or the drugstore or places like Target or Walmart. You will also need scissors, a marker, and colored tissue paper. And we're going to put our contact paper sun catcher in a frame made from a paper plate. For that, you'll need a paper plate, a hole punch, and either string or a pipe cleaner for hanging, and scissors. Let's set up for success. To set up to make the contact paper sun catcher, you will want to create your frame first if you're going to use one. And this is generally a job for an adult. So if you need to, go ask an adult to help you with this. Cut the center out of the paper plate with scissors, and then use that as a template to trace onto the paper side of the contact paper. You will want to trace 2 of these for each sun catcher. And then use your scissors and cut out the contact paper circle, but don't cut along the line, cut about a 1/2 inch wider beyond the line, so that the circle is slightly larger than the center of the paper plate. And then peel back the paper backing and set your contact paper down on the table, sticky side up, and then press your paper plate frame over the contact paper so that it overlaps, the sticky contact paper overlaps with the paper frame, and press it down along the edges. And now you are ready to make your contact paper sun catcher. Let's create! Take your colored tissue paper and you can either cut it into smaller pieces, shapes, or anything, or you can tear it into smaller pieces. And then press the colored tissue paper to the sticky plastic in any way you like. You can overlap the pieces of tissue paper. You can create abstract designs. You can create patterns. You can create pictures. You can scrunch up the tissue paper first before you apply it. You can draw on the colored tissue paper with a pen or marker after you put it on there. You can even add other materials to your sun catcher, such as feathers, colorful feathers, or sequins, string, lace. And then when you're finished with your contact paper sun catcher, remove the paper backing from the second circle of contact paper and press it over your design, creating a sandwich of your colored tissue paper in between the 2 pieces of contact paper. And now if you like, you can make a carrying handle or a hanging handle on your sun catcher by punching 2 holes at the top of your sun catcher and threading a pipe cleaner through one of the holes and then twisting it back on itself to hold it in place. If you want to string beads along the pipe cleaner, you can do so before you attach the second end of the pipe cleaner. You can also decorate your frame with drawing or painting, and then attach the other end of the pipe cleaner through the other hole. I hope you enjoyed this art activity. Some other ways you can make contact paper sun catchers are with flowers or leaves instead of the colored tissue paper. You can also use colored film such as translucent index dividers. Sometimes you can find index dividers in translucent colored film, and that's fun. What are some other ways? You can also use ribbon or lace. Share it or display it.
It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to
Hang your new suncatcher in a sunny window or give it as a gift to someone else to hang in a sunny window.